Alright, good morning guys. Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be fishing the dam at the farm for some trout again. So, it's a really nice morning, really still. And it's just absolutely dead glassy. It's actually insane. Oh, that looked like a rise there. So, I'm first going to put probably a size 1 MEPS spinner on. See if that works. If that doesn't, then I'll probably go to some strike tiger nymphs and T-tails. So we'll see how that goes. Alright guys, so I've just got this size 1 MEPS spinner. We're just going to give that a go first. Let's have the first cast. Looks like there was just a rise right next to where I just threw it. Nothing on that first cast, that's alright. We'll keep trying. We'll probably fish for a couple of hours and then I've got stuff to do this afternoon, so probably go home by say 12. Currently it's 8:30, so get a couple of hours in of fishing, see if we can catch anything. So far no bites and no follows either, so not sure what's going on. It's perfect conditions, but I don't know. We'll keep fishing, see if we can catch one. There's one right here. It's right in the shallows. Might be interested. No! Shit, I got a snag right in front of it. Oh, no. Where did it go? Oh, no. Can't believe that. It was about to bite it, and then I got snagged in the rock. Oh, that's so unfortunate. Hopefully he comes back for it. He's around here somewhere. Just got to find him again. What a cracker day, honestly. What an absolute brilliant day. It's so still. There'd only be one thing to make it better, which is a couple of fish. Just really want to catch a few trout from here. Haven't caught one in ages. They just haven't been biting recently, so I'm really keen just to get at least one. If I can just get one, then I'll be happy. Oh my god, no. Oh, I knew that was going to happen. Why did I do that? Oh, that was so dumb. Alright, I'm going to have to go get the boat. I'm not losing this lure. Don't really feel like losing it. It's a good lure. At least the boat's here. I can try to make my way over there on it and I'll try and pull it out, because don't really feel like losing this spinner because I like it. It's a good spinner. All right. Okay. It's a disgusting rope. There's a fish just there. Jesus. Oh my god. Oh, quick. Gotta grab this. I'll just bring myself back to shore over here. Bang. I shouldn't go anywhere from there. We'll reel it in. And hopefully we're not too tangled. Nice. That was really well executed. Now we've got our bait back. The line hasn't snapped. I'm not soaking wet in the dam, so perfect. I call that a success. Funny how there was just some trout or something just there. I didn't really see it properly, but yeah, there was something. We'll just cast around here. I don't think anything will want to take anything at the moment, but we'll see. Made too much annoyance in the water, I guess, with the boat, but oh well. Might actually try fish off it. Like, it's not too bad. I'll grab my tackle box and then I'll come back and launch again. Because that way we can cover everywhere all over the dam. And I can just like sit and just float around. It's pretty chill. It's pretty nice, actually. Alright, we're launching again. Whoops. Bit of flexion, that's alright. As long as I don't put a hole in it, it's alright, but bit of flexion is fine. Just gonna float around for a bit and fail to cast because I got my line tangled in my reel because I'm smart. Float around and just have a few casts around the place. See if we can get anything. It's gonna be a nice chill session. It's a nice chill time. Just gonna sit here and relax, enjoy the day. But I might just give this spinner one more go because it's nice and sunny at the moment. So, in theory, the spinner should work. But you never know, it's fishing. And these trout have proven to be pretty stubborn lately, so currently I'm just going along these pipes here. Just seeing if there's anything just around them. So I'm just casting next to them and kind of in the middle and stuff. Just trying to see if I can get anything from it. Because I could be hiding under them. Because the only structure really in this dam, apart from maybe there's like a few tree trunks or something underneath the water, I'm not sure. I'm just going to change up to this 1-inch nymph in pearl white colour from Strike Tigers. So this one should work alright. I've caught a few trout on this. Also caught a few redfin on it as well, so it's pretty good lure overall. Well, not lure, plastic, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, it just looks like a weird bug nymph, obviously. But yeah, I might also put a bit of this, the juices or whatever from this power bait onto the lure, just to give it just a little bit of scent kind of thing. So that's got a bit that was just on the sides of it. So that should be alright. Should give out just a little bit of scent, which might attract them a bit more instead. So we'll give that a go just around the pipes here, and then we'll probably move spots again after if we can't catch anything with this. Oh my god, not again. Boots is out. Boots the goat is out. Oh, is he coming back in? I think he's coming back in. He's gonna hop the fence. Oh my god, he's gonna hop the fence again. Oh no, he's just gonna go back out. Oh, okay, I'm gonna go get him. I'm gonna go bring him back in. Alright, let's go. Let's go get Boots back in. Where is he? Oh, you sneaky little bugger, got in. Must have hopped the fence again. He got back in, he's over there already. He hopped this fence right here. That was a close one though. He could have gotten out pretty easily. Could have gotten out and then he could have gone down there straight out into the center of town, and that would have been pretty bad if that had happened. I forgot to pull up the stand. So yeah, but I got him in and that's all that matters. I don't know if I should keep fishing or not, or just go home, because to be honest I can't really be bothered anymore. Nothing's bitten all morning, and then yeah, I don't know. Alright, they're here again, guys. Dun, 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 dun. That's enough annoying him for today. Oh, I'm tired now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna go home now, have some lunch and chill out for the rest of the day. Hope you enjoyed and were entertained enough of me making a complete fool of myself today, because I can't catch any fish obviously. I'm not sure why, but yeah, hopefully you enjoyed, and see you again next video. Thanks for watching.